Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really practical problem that a lot of people run into in Google Sheets. How do you quickly count the number of entries in a list that match a certain word or status like present, absent, or late? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the Countif formula to make tracking attendance, or really any kind of data, much easier. Let's jump right in with a real-life example. Imagine you're managing a classroom attendance tracker. You've got a list of student names in one column and their attendance status for the day in another, things like present, absent, or late. Now, instead of manually scrolling through and tallying up each status with pen and paper, Google Sheets can do all the heavy lifting for you with just a simple formula. Here how it works. Say your status column runs from cell B2 down to B11, right next to the students' names. First up, let's count everyone who is present. Click into any empty cell where you'd like the result to appear. Now type equals Countif, open parenthesis like this, equals Countif, then select the range of cells you want Sheets to look in. For us, that's B2 through B11. Don't forget the comma after your range, and then in quotation marks, simply type present. So your full formula should look like equals Countif B2 B11 present. Go ahead and hit enter. Immediately, Google Sheets shows you the magic number. In our sample list, it'll show 6. That means 6 students were marked as present. It only took a second, and imagine how handy that is when you have a much longer list. Wondering how this formula works? The Countif function is a kind of detective. It goes through every cell in the range you provided, looking for matches to present, and then counts each one up for you. It doesn't care about the order or whether there are blank cells. As long as the word matches exactly, Countif adds it to the tally. Next, let's see how you'd count absences. No surprise, it's almost exactly the same. Click another empty cell and type equals Countif B2 B11 absent, tap enter, and you'll see it instantly tells you there are 2 absences in the list. If you're tracking data for a whole semester, this can honestly save so much time compared to manual counting, plus it's far less error-prone. Alright, maybe you're also wondering who is late. Once again, in any empty cell, enter equals Countif B2 B11 late and press enter. Google Sheets updates you right away. There were 2 students marked as late in this group. Here's something to keep in mind. Countif isn't just for attendance. You can use it for anything where you need to count how many times something specific shows up in a list, like survey responses, inventory items, project statuses, you name it. Just remember your search term needs to match exactly. Present is different from present or present. If you ever mistype or feel like a result doesn't look right, don't worry. Double check your spelling, your range, and be sure to include those quotation marks around the word you're searching for. It's a small thing, but it makes all the difference. So that's how easy it is to use Countif in Google Sheets to instantly count up present, absent, and late in your attendance tracker. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and drop your questions or your own examples in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.